Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to boost FPS and fix lag in Wuthering Waves on Windows PC. I show you guys how to do it. Open up Epic Games, click on the three dot icon next to the Wuthering Waves and select Manage. Select the folder icon over here to open up install location. Double click on the Wuthering Wave game folder, client folder, saved folder, config folder, Windows no editor folder, and now right click on the game user settings and select open with notepad. Under the scalability you just need to change the values guys, except resolution quality you need to change the values to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. After doing this, under the script you can able to see B use dynamic resolution, change false to true, T caps letter TRUE. After changing it, select file and select save. After doing this, just close off here. After doing this, you need to right click on the engine.ini and select open with notepad. In here you need to scroll down to the bottom. Under here you need to paste a script guys. You just need to check my video description for this script used in my video. Just copy it, right click on it and select copy it and go back to engine.ini and paste over here. After pasting it, you just need to select file and select save. After saving it, just close stuff here. And now the file has been saved guys. After doing this, you have changed the game settings to run the game with the best FPS. Now you are ready to play the game guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.